Hi, my friends. I wanted to give you some ideas of things that you could do to raise your visibility through social media. One of the best things to do is cross-pollinate. Now, not all platforms play well together, but right now Facebook and YouTube do. So there's a way for you to add your YouTube channel to your Facebook if you haven't done it already. And that way, when you post a video, you can say subscribe and they'll see the YouTube channel. There's all kinds of things that you can do. But the first thing that you are going to have to do is connect it. So here's what I want you to do. It's super easy, but the hard part is that you have to find all the little details. And so that's what this video is for, to make it easy for you. So the first thing I want you to do is go to your business page. You're going to have a business page. And I'm going to ask you to go into edit your page. So the first thing you're going to do is click on settings, which is on the upper right-hand side. And then once you do that, you will have to edit your page. Right here, it says edit page, and then that will bring up these tabs for you, okay? And what you're wanting is to connect your YouTube to the tab. Now, the way that you're going to have to do that is by going to this page. It's facebook.com/YouTube app. I will include that link in the comments, and you'll see here that all you have to do is click on Use App. Now, once you click on that, it brings up a second tab, which is the Add Page tab. And I've already added my YouTube channel to my Need Inspiration page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this other page that is kind of dead right now. I used it for my TV show. So I click on that one, and then I Add Page tab. Now it's saying that the installation is in progress. And it'll give me a second, and then it's going to ask me for some things, okay? So here I am, and it is pulling up my stuff. So then what it does is it has this thing called application settings, and it asks for my channel ID. Now, what you're going to have to do is go to your YouTube channel, and what you'll do is you'll click on your account settings, which is over here. Okay, you're going to click on this little guy right here, this gear, and then get yourself over to the account settings. Here, let me just do this for you. So right here, I've clicked on the little gear. Then I click on Advanced underneath, and then that brings this up. And you see I have a user ID and a channel ID. So I want this channel ID, so I'm going to copy and paste it and bring it over to my area right here, and I'm going to copy and paste it. So now I have the channel ID. It also says that you can feature a video. So I'll go back to YouTube, and there's a lot of ways to handle this. I think, whatever your favorite video is right now. So I'm just going to pick why you need 15 reasons to succeed. And what it wants is the code after the equal sign up in the URL. So it says youtube.com/watch !V equals. I don't want any of that. And then I'm going to copy and paste this little ID. I'm going back here, and I click on that. And there's some things that you can do with a premium subscription. I'm not suggesting that you do that. Now, all I have to do is save the settings. And then you'll notice that this is what it looks like. It has, when I click on, there's all these different tabs, and I click on YouTube, and I'm going to see all my YouTube videos are up there. So we have the featured video, which I chose, and then it also has, look at this, all this video that I've done. So that's pretty fantastic. So if you go back and look, I'm just going to go back to my page, and I'm in edit page here. You can pick and choose which tabs you want. So if you look over here, there's a ton of tabs, right? And the YouTube is not at the top. So if I wanted to, I can click on settings, I can click on edit page, and you'll see it's different. There's a lot of tabs here. So let's say I don't want events, so I can click off and save, and that will go away. You see it disappeared. Maybe I don't have a lot of notes, so I'm not going to. This will also give you other ideas of things that you can do. So you might consider using it. So I just turned a bunch of them off. Let me just do that just to shorten this up a little. Oh, you have to have posts. So then the other thing you can do is you can move the YouTube tab all the way to the top so that when you look at the page on the side, now YouTube is right at the top there. Now it's not going to show the videos themselves, but that's pretty cool that when I click on it, and people who are using Pages a lot will like this feature. So there you go. That's one thing that you could do today if you're thinking, what can I do to promote my social media? What can I do to become more visible? Here's a perfect thing that you can do. Enjoy. And make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll make sure that you have the link for that. Have an awesome one, and make sure that you're staying visible.